Here is the Excel sheet income calculation for the financial year 24-25 versus 25-26. Here I have taken one of the individual, Raju. His age is 45. As per the income tax financial 25-26, 12 lakhs, there is no income. Raju income is 12 lakhs 95,000. I have taken. Standard deduction is 25,000. As per the financial year 24-25, after taking that, chargeable income comes under 12 lakhs 20,000, whereas gross total income is 12 lakhs 20,000. This calculation is new tax as in total tax will be 12 lakhs 20,000. As per this, 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs, 5% tax is applicable. Total is 20,000 will be taxable. 20% tax will be applied. Same thing for the 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 30%, 30,000 rupees. 10 to 12 lakhs is 30,000, and 12 to 15 lakhs is 60,000. Say above 15 lakhs is 30%. So as per this calculation, the total income for Raju 12 lakhs 20,000 for the financial 24-25 is 87,360. He has to pay by new tax regime. By calculation, present proposed financial 25-26, same Raju income is 12 lakhs 95,000, 75,000 standard deduction. Gross total income will be 12 lakhs 20,000. So taxable income is 12 lakhs 20,000. And tax applicable on this 12 lakhs 20,000 for the financial 25-26 is, you see, this is the slab rate already we discussed in previous video. As per this slab rate, financial 25-26, the Raju has to pay 66,560. Financial 24-25, the individual, Raju tax benefited is 20,800. By comparing for the financial 24-25 with 25-26, as per the calculation for 24-25, it was 87,360 tax to be paid. By the new tax regime for the financial 25-26, 66,560 tax has to be paid. By this, total tax benefited for the financial 25-26 is nearly about 20,000 is benefited. This is the proposed income tax slab for the financial 25-26. Practically, we have seen that it is very much useful and very much benefited to the individual. Yes, you can see here 12 lakhs. It is 80,000. It was previously tax applicable. In proposed it is 60,000. Means 20,000 is benefited in the proposed financial year 25-26. See, by calculation, we also got that 20,000 savings has been benefited for the financial 25-26. This is a simple calculation for the financial year 25-26 compared with the 24-25. The individual will be benefited up to 12 lakhs. There is no income, and if it is more than 12 lakhs, even though if the calculation, by seeing the calculation, the individual is benefited. This financial is very much benefited to the individual. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.
Prove it. Never listen to the no's. I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I